everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be getting rid of hair. Now we are going to be getting rid of hair from around your mouth. If you have hair going around your mouth, if you have chin hair, sideburn, and you want to get rid of it, this is the perfect recipe for you. So come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time.
I'm going to be using 3 ingredients. Our first ingredient is turmeric. I'm going to be using some gelatin. And I'm also going to be using some lemon. Now this is pretty easy to prepare. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of gelatin. Two teaspoons of lemon juice. And then we're going to mix this. In a nice little paste. Next, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of hot water. And I'm going to mix. Turmeric is known to dissolve the hair, helping in thinning them. Repeating the process for a long time will eventually stop the growth permanently. Removing facial hair using lemon has a smoothing effect and can help you to keep your skin healthy since the ingredients are filled with vitamins and antioxidants. Gelatin paste is extremely sticky and gooey and sticks to the hair when it dries. When you start peeling it off, the hair comes off as well. Now this is ready. And I'm going to put this aside to cool for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then I'm going to show you how to remove your unwanted hair, especially around the mouth. So here is the hair remover. And I'm going to use it on my upper lips. So you want to apply this. And if you're like me and you have a little hair, it's a little running, nothing to worry about. And then you're gonna let this dry. So I'm gonna sit with this, let it dry, and then I'm gonna come back to show you how to pull the hair off, okay? Now once this is dry, then you're gonna slowly remove it from the upper lips. Make sure to get up the edges first. You're gonna feel a little pulling, it's okay. The bottom part. And you're gonna feel it pulling the hair. It's gonna be a little stingy. Once you remove the outer part, you're just gonna rub it in circulation to remove the excess. Now once this is done, you're gonna rinse off. After removing the treatment, it's gonna be a little sensitive, but that's okay. Just apply some moisturizer to the area and you will be fine. And continue to use the treatment once per week. Eventually you're gonna notice you only need to do it once per month or once every 2 months, okay?
thank you all for watching. Go ahead and try this recipe. Leave your comment. They are always welcome. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out if this was your first time watching. Love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.